Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 4X, and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select wallpaper. You will find it under personal, and now you have to pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. So it can be one from the animal, album, creative, plant, lifestyle, or maybe one from your photos. And I will pick, for example, plant. Let me just connect the Wi-Fi. Here is mine. And as it's connected, we will be able to come along with all the wallpapers in plant album. So just give the device a few seconds. And here they are, so just select the one that you would like to have. So it can be this one. And now click on apply. Finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your lock screen, your home screen, or both of them. And I will pick the third option, so it's set both. And that's it. As you can see, brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen and also lock screen. And that's basically all. That's how you can change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.